These three equipment types can make any solopreneur as efficient as a 5-person shop. Stay tuned to learn how to kickstart and expand your business independently without the need for additional hires. In this video, we explore a couple of key pieces of equipment that can automate your shop and supercharge your productivity to achieve more with fewer hands on deck. It's all about working smarter, not harder. Imagine a world where your equipment works tirelessly with precision and speed all day, every day. That's the power of automation. With the right equipment, you can say goodbye to bottlenecks and hello to productivity. Think about it. Machines don't require salaries, benefits, get sick, or take vacations. They're a one-time investment that pays off by boosting your output without the extra payroll costs. First up, we'll look at printers, specifically UV hybrid printers, capable of printing on flexible materials like paper, banner, and vinyl at speeds from 300 to well over 1,000 square foot per hour, and in minutes convert to a rigid substrate flatbed printer capable of producing coroplast, acrylic, aluminum signs, and more, all in a single printer. Hybrid printers come in two different styles. First is a traditional gantry style flatbed with a fixed full-size print bed and a roll-to-roll option at one side of the table, typically on the longest edge, giving you the ability to print up to 8 or 10 foot wide, depending on the overall dimensions of the bed. The second style is typically a stationary print system with a belt-driven or pinch roller media feed system. This style printer allows for a smaller footprint, as the tables that support rigid media, front and back, can be easily removed and pushed out of the way when you're running roll-to-roll. A great example of a stationary UV hybrid print system is the EFI Pro 16H. The Pro 16H will allow you to expand your capacity and enter into new markets. EFI's proven print technology can help your wide format business grow with vivid output, ease of use, low total cost of ownership, and more. With speeds up to 976 square foot per hour and full bleed printing up to 64 inches, your application possibilities are near limitless. Print on diverse substrates up to 65 inches wide and 2 inches thick. A modular tandem table allows you to switch easily from rigid to roll or roll to sheet printing in minutes. The Pro 16H wide format flatbed printer can handle rolls up to 9 inches in diameter and weights up to 100 pounds. The Pro 16H is just one of many capable UV hybrid printers on the market. Another option with a full-size bed and gantry-style print system is the Canon Arizona 1300 series. These printers have a traditional fixed vacuum bed with built-in unwind and take-up roll-to-roll option, usually on the longest side of the bed. Although this style printer typically takes up more room in your shop, there are no tables to move around or store when printing roll-to-roll. You can expect to pay between $60,000 and $200,000+ for a hybrid flatbed printer. On a side note, check out the Mutoh ValueJet 1638 UH Mark II for a great entry-level UV hybrid printer. There's a link in the description below to all the equipment mentioned in this video today. Now that we have discussed the printing, let's look at the finishing side of things. Roll-to-roll cutters are definitely capable of kiss and perf cutting stickers, but they also have their limitations. If you're looking to do more and want to get some work accomplished with a precision every cut and trimming without a slip of the knife, then you need a flatbed cutter like the Kolex SharpCut or the Suma F-Series. These flatbed cutters and similar ones can handle the tedious tasks of trimming posters, banners, contour and perf cutting stickers, as well as cutting yard signs into perfect 18 by 24 inch rectangles every time. With the right attachments, you can cut shapes out of coroplast, acrylic, foam board, and more effortlessly with precision every time. These machines can hold multiple tools at once to finish a wide range of media and substrates. The Suma F-Series is known for its efficiency, ease of use, and multifunctional head, which can hold up to 3 modules at once, ensuring cutting productivity. With a positioning laser and integrated camera system, it guarantees fast and accurate contour cutting mark recognition. With its automated cutting features and high-speed capabilities, the Suma F-Series significantly reduces production times, allowing you to take on more projects and boost your revenue. The F-Series features a user-friendly interface and intuitive software, making it accessible even for those new to cutting technology. Plus, it's easy to use and maintain, ensuring minimal downtime. A similar flatbed cutter would be the Kolex SharpCut series flatbed cutter. The Kolex SharpCut is an easy-to-use cutting solution with an intuitive software platform at its core. Though competitively positioned, it is not to be underestimated for its versatility, throughput, and its ability to help you unlock the full potential of your flatbed or roll-to-roll printer. The Kolex SharpCut finishing system features an automated and easy-to-use workflow solution for nesting and optimizing media. The unique design of the Kolex SharpCut's triple interchangeable toolhead allows your operator to transition from routing knife, knife cutting, and kiss cutting rapidly. By default, the Colex SharpCut includes a fixed knife, an oscillating knife, and a router, allowing you to maximize the full capability of the table for a multitude of applications. Optional add-on tools are available for customization to suit your specific needs of workflow. The Colex also offers other automated options like the automatic board feeder and a pallet table. Flatbed cutters are a game changer for any large format printer's workflow. They're fast, precise, and versatile. If you're looking to level up your production, having one of these in your shop is the way to go. An alternative piece of equipment, if none of the previous pieces of equipment mentioned are in your budget, there's a cost-effective solution that's packed with features for solo operators and a massive time savings. It's a flatbed applicator like the Rolls Roller, an illuminated work table that flawlessly applies transfer tape, doubles as a laminator, and empowers a single user to mount small prints up to massive 5 by 30 prints in minutes, completely bubble-free. This mounting table is a must for every shop looking to streamline their workflow. In summary, automated machines like the Suma F1612 flatbed cutter or the EFI Pro 16H printer don't need coffee breaks and are equipped with precision that human hands can't match. Consistent error-free results mean less waste, less rework, and happier customers. Of course, we're not saying humans aren't important. After all, people's creativity and expertise drive the business. But when it comes to repetitive, high-volume tasks, automation is your silent partner in success. The equipment examples I used in this video are just that. There are other pieces of equipment that are capable of the same results. As always, select equipment that you're comfortable with and that can be maintained and repaired in a timely manner. As your business grows, so does your team of tireless machines. No need for lengthy hiring process or training sessions. Just plug in and print away. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing and sharing. If you're in the market for other printers, please check out any of these videos. Thanks for watching.